Well, there's Garrison Dam intake to the generators. Here I am. It's taken me all summer to get to the middle of Lake Sakakawea here. 105 foot of water right here. And pretty much no wind. So, yeah. Hopefully it doesn't take all fall to get back to land. But, yeah. A nice calm day and just a little puff of breeze or a steady direction would probably be a assistance. Anyway, that's what's going on today, September 6, 2025. Hope you're all having a good day. I needed this little float, and so take care. God bless.